In this project, we've designed virtual reality interfaces tailored for remote welding situations, aiming to enhance operator well-being, safety, and productivity. Our implementation includes a sophisticated multimodal VR interface, strategically crafted for industrial use. To heighten the immersive experience, we've incorporated haptic feedback and spatial audio cues, elevating the realism of the virtual environment and ensuring a faithful representation of actual welding processes. The virtual scene mirrors the real setup precisely, with models of components and systems positioned identically. A haptic stylus facilitates the welding process within the virtual realm, and in real time, this exact path is seamlessly transferred to the robot magician. The robot then faithfully traces this path onto real-world components. To ensure welding accuracy, we've established an inspection area for thorough validation of the welding procedure. This innovative approach merges the human welder's expertise and intuition with the precision and stability of the robot arm, forming a dynamic and efficient human-robot team specifically designed for remote welding scenarios. Thank you.